Take out the long round columns and short side panels. Here, pay attention to the larger screw holes on the columns facing the back. Then place the groove of the short side panel facing down. Tighten the long screws at the screw hole positions inside the short side panel. Continue to install the large hole screw positions facing backward onto the short side panel. Take out the long side panel, align the groove positions, and tighten the long screws. On the other long side panel, also align the grooves and tighten the long screws. Insert the bottom plate along the groove at the bottom. Then take out the short cylinder and another short side plate. Align the holes and tighten the long screws in the same way. Align the installed side plate with the groove and tighten the long screws. Next, take out the shelf, align the holes on the cylinder, and tighten the long screws. Tighten the long screws on the short cylinder side as well. Take out the round handle, clamp the cylinder, and then tighten the long screws. Flip the trolley over. Install the stopper strip at the bottom using short screws. Then forcefully push the wheels onto the cylinders. Push wheels onto all 4 cylinders. Flip the trolley over. Installation is complete.